The more I studied climate change, the more I realized how big the problem was going to be. The models I build, the work I do looks a lot at how populations of endangered species may respond to increasing temperatures and changes in precipitation, or how entire species ranges or distributions might move in response to climate change. And some of our work has shown that across the Western Hemisphere, in any given place, only, 35%, there might be a 35% change in the species that are there in the next 100 years. We also found that roughly 8% of mammals in North and South America aren't going to be able to keep up with the rate of climate change. They won't be able to move across the landscape fast enough. And so these are the kinds of things that I saw in my own research, and then lots of other results of other research that just show that the changes are going to be really large. And that's scary when you think about the natural world and you think about what it means for the plants and animals that we know and the places we enjoy. But what's scarier to me is when you think about what it means for people. And when you look at the studies that report on how climate change might affect water security or food security or water quality, how people may have to move inland as sea levels rise in response to coastal flooding and coastal storms or flooding of rivers or droughts. And that, I think, is a bit scarier.